So over here, you can see that I got images imported right here. So what you can do is you can work around with these image placeholders. You can go around and then you can resize it according to how you want and then place it wherever you want right here. So you can drag this and place it wherever you want, or you can resize it out right here and place it as big image again. You can also go around and resize it in multiple columns, as you can see. So over here, you can see that you have crop option for the image as well. So if you were to click on this, then you can see that there's the crop image option right here. So you can go around and resize it and place it, and you can see that this acts as a cropped area right here. You can also go around and then resize this, and you can see more of the images can be seen if you were to do this. So you can go around, uncrop it to get back the full image, just like as it was when you imported it. You can go to more image options right here and access more settings as well. And over here, you can see that you can go for section color and choose around the style over here as well to choose the background of the image as well. And that is how you can simply work around with the image placeholder. You can resize it, you can place it wherever you want right here, and there you go. So that what you can also do is you can go around, add in a link to the image right here and make it clickable as well. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.